Hello, my nail polish fanatics, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small mini SheModern haul that I would like to share with you. Some of the items that I purchased from her recent sale. She still has a sale going on. This video is not sponsored in any way. I just wanted to share the items that I have. So let's get to it. I just want to show you some things that I purchased from SheModern. And I know what I purchased, but I'm still excited. Why, I don't know. And wow, she really packaged this well. I think she understands how they can damage your packaging in transit, even if it's in a box, because that's why if I DESTASH, I no longer, and I know it's a little more expensive, but I no longer ship in an envelope because I had somebody to tell me that their, polish got damaged, and I hate that. Even though I thought I had wrapped it in, the bubble wrap and everything, and it still was broken. So I don't even ship without a box anymore because of that very scenario. And like I said, I know shipping will be higher for you, but at least you won't, get damaged goods once you receive them. So, oh my goodness. And I already see some of this I haven't even ordered. She's giving me, I did not order this. That's so sweet of her. Wow. She's got me a green glow-in-the-dark pigment and then a brown metallic glitter. Oh, that is so pretty. And she's given me a non-stick sealer, which I'm going to enjoy using that. Let's see. Okay, I've got the Opaque Air Dry Sticky Stampy Polish, and I know I'm going to be using this a lot. I've been enjoying the sticky polishes. I've got the black in Opaque black. Oh, this is the color I wanted. This is the clear, cold, hot sapphire air dry sticky. I can't wait to play with these. These are the color changing polishes. I've got the Opaque brown because I don't have a brown in the Opaque sticky. All these are sticky. I've got the clear, cold, hot pink jelly polish. I guess she didn't have that in the, I don't know, because I thought I got the, wait a minute, did she give me extra polishes? Because I didn't order sapphire, I ordered ocean. Hold on, she gave me extra stuff. This is what Opaque. She gave me extra polishes, she really did. OMG. This is the clear sticky sealer. So she gave me that, which is a water base. I ordered that. And then I ordered the cold hot emerald sticky jelly. And I ordered and you can kind of see it's kind of turning red now. The yellow cold hot red jelly sticky. So I've got okay, that's right. This is the sticky. This is the jelly. So I've got the sapphire, the emerald, the pink, and the red in the sticky. This turns to clear. This turns to emerald and lime. This turns to a clear and a pink. And this turns to a yellow and a red. So that's that. So that's what I ordered. I ordered the Opaque Ocean Brown, Black, and White. And I ordered the Sticky Clear Sealer. But she gave me the Glow in the Dark and the Nonstick Sealer and the Clear Nonstick Sealer, which seals your stamping images, which I need very badly. And then this is the metallic, which is beautiful. I can't wait to play with these. So these are the items I got with SheModern. And then I'm sure you've seen this. This is not SheModern. I got this out of the Dollar Tree. And I said, instead of using a makeup sponge or one of those items that has that little spongy thing on the end and have to replace them, I said I was going to try this. I know it's for makeup, but I said I was going to try this for gradients. That way I could just easily wipe it off and use it again. I bought 2 of these, so that's what I'm going to use this for, a gradient. I'm not using it to blend my makeup, but I could. But I said I could use this to, you know, do a gradient. I'm going to try it and see on one of my manis. But this is my little mini haul. Not a whole bunch, but enough. If you have not already tried SheModern, please, I have videos already up using the product. What I've been using is this. This is what I really like. I like this color changing, but it's opaque. These are jellies, but this is the opaque, and I love the color changing factor of this polish. So that's why I had to get more color changing polishes. But anyway, if you have not already, there is a website. I'll put that in the description box below. It's SheModern.com. She's currently got a sale going on. I was able to get in on the 50% off sale. I wanted to go ahead and get that in. I think this week is going to go down to, it's now 35, but I think by the time I get the video up, it may go down to 25 maybe, to get down to 25, I think. So if you have not already taken advantage, because she's going to have a sale until the end of May. So if you have not already, go ahead and take advantage of the sale. She has super duper great products. If you would like for me to swatch these in another video, please let me know down in the comment section. So that is it. Oh, this is the mani I am rocking. I have that video already up. I'm going to be taking this off. So if you want to see how I did this mani, check that video out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.